Okay, so for this episode, or two, I'm going to try to make it one episode. We're going to be detailing the car. Full on, some rubbing compound for certain spots, buffing, waxing, no waxing, polishing, the works, followed by ceramic coating. This is by Avalon King. So give me 1 second, because I'm probably gonna need my other hand, and we're gonna go ahead and open the sucker up. Alright, so as you can tell, I got two of them. It says you can do a small car. I mean, I don't know if my car is exactly small. It's definitely not big, but I don't know. So I got two of them. One is, I think, $70. I don't remember. Two is only $100. So you basically get the other one for $35. I'm gonna open this up here in a second, and we're gonna do this. Alright, so in here there's supposed to be ceramic coating, applicator pad, very hard on this side, very soft, so I'm assuming this is the applicating side, microfiber towel, gloves, and I think this is the pad you're supposed to wrap in the cloth you're supposed to wrap in the applicator pad. And this is the instructions. It's very simple. I'm not gonna say I did a lot of research, but I mean I did a healthy amount. Alright guys, so we're starting the everything. It's already washed. Some spots you can't even tell, but we took this off, took the spoiler off. That's just caked on dirt. I scrubbed and scrubbed, it ain't coming off. And the spoiler is going to go back on, obviously, so it's going to cover it right back up. We got this part done. This is done. And he's working on the hood. You guys seen him before. His name's Steve. Steve, you're too fast. I can't get it in there. Oh, there you go. You can see it, kind of. Does not come out in camera that well. Oh well. We'll see it when you probably pull the next piece of tape.
Pictures to be uploaded.
Pictures will be uploaded, like right now. Possibly, most likely, you're gonna end up taking the rims off and touching those up. I'm trying to get rubbing compound, get all the crap out so we can just hit it and go. My next spot is the passenger door. I just did the mirror. We'll definitely give you a before and after this so you can tell how crappy that is. Once I'm done with the other mirror and door, I'm gonna come over here. We might even raise it up so we can get the side skirts real good. We haven't gotten that far yet. Alright guys, so it took 4 hours-ish for me to use rubbing compound and clean the whole car, because that's how dirty it was. The previous owner did a good job washing it, but I don't think he waxed or polished or nothing. So I did that, and my buddy Steve, he's going hard up here. I don't know if he's buffing or polishing, but he's doing something. And when I did that, he did the hood and he started where I kind of started over there. The whole car right now is buffed, and more than half of it is polished. This is taking forever, but we're getting there. Let me grab my light real quick. I think you guys can see it. You don't even need a light, but I'm gonna grab it because this car looks This is Transformation Tuesday right here. Oh, geez, come on, GoPro, there you go. So it's really hard to tell, but this is just buffing. And this is the part I showed you guys before, how dirty it was. Came right clean, everything except for right in there. I missed that part. Alright guys, so we're done. She's washed, she's waxed, she's polished. She's not waxed, just polished and buffed. You can, I mean, you guys can tell. I know this camera's not the best, but you can tell. There's no need to get angles, you guys can tell. She's a brand new car. 20 years old, new. This is the last part. Once he's done, I have to alcohol just the sail panel and the recording areas. And I think we're gonna start up there. We're gonna do this, I think. Let it cure for, I mean, it only takes a couple minutes till you wipe it off. Let it cure for about half an hour, put the spoiler on, and then do the spoiler. And then we're gonna tag team the car. We're gonna start it, get going, and then we'll videotape the how-to for you guys, because this is our first time. Ain't no shame in my game. So there it is, guys. This is a brand new freaking car on the outside. All right, guys, so we're gonna test it on my spoiler, because that sound makes sense. Applicator pad, and they want you to do it on this. There's a hard side, giggity, and there's a soft side, ungiggity. It says 10 to 13 drops. There's a sight glass, so you know how much is in there. Which is very. Don't knock it over.
Put it on like you're
Okay, yeah, I can see a couple streaks.
being productive.
Wow! I like you're being productive. Alright guys, so I want you to go in vertical lines and then horizontal. So I think I got something. Everything's dry. Can't see a little bit though. There we go. I think maybe, I don't know. You see it?
No, but it goes on clear, probably dries to the
Alright guys, so car's done. I don't know the proper terminology, but it's shiny as fuck.
shiny AF, bro.
We're coating the wheels, rims, tire, whatever the fuck we're coating. We're coating something. We're making it more shiny AF. Obviously, we got to lift. We're gonna do the windshield, possibly the back window too. Probably not, because I got the sticker there that needs to come off. Subscribe. please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. So we got enough room to do the fronts on the vehicle. And the rears, there's not enough room, so we're actually taking them off, as you can tell. And then we're just gonna coat them all, probably only once. That's all it needs. You have brand new rims, super glossy, everything's good. But we got tons left over. There's easily enough to do the car twice over. We did the hood twice, the sail panel twice, the tail spoiler thing twice. Everything else was coated ample. It looks like a whole different car. Alright guys, so we're done. The wheels are back on. They look amazing. Holy crap, this video makes it look so black. Oh, that's good because they're black. So the only thing is I noticed a small difference in here and here. And I think it's just fiberglass and steel. I don't know. This is a completely different car, minus all of that right there.